Green tea is the most consumed beverage in the world, second only to water. The craze for green tea exceeds taste, as this beverage derived from the white-flowered plant, Camellia sinensis, is continually proving its health and wellness benefits. A native to Asia, green tea is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are known for their ability to help fight diseases and maintaining healthy cell structure. Antioxidant research has shown that antioxidants help prevent cancer, reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease, and can even lower blood cholesterol levels. Researchers are now linking the antioxidants in green tea to acne prevention. It has been long known that placing a warm tea bag on an acne blemish or similar growth will help to draw the toxins out of the lesion, promoting quicker heal times. Current research has shown that green tea extracts fight bacteria, reduce redness and inflammation, and can deter hormone activity. All three of these symptoms are present in acne blemishes. According to the findings reported to the American Academy of Dermatology by dermatologist Dr. Gan Wang, when compounded into a cream with a content of 3% green tea extract, acne treatment results were comparable to using a topical solution containing 4% benzoyl peroxide, a common treatment for acne. Dr. Gan Wang's findings were based on an independent study of just over 100 acne sufferers. The test subjects were randomly split into two groups, with one group receiving the green tea treatment and the other receiving a benzoyl peroxide treatment. Neither group was aware of the treatment they received, nor were the dermatologists who documented their progress. After a 12-week period, significant improvements in the reduction of acne and redness were noted in the patients using the green tea extract. The results were comparable to the results of the benzoyl peroxide users. Additionally, the dermatologist noted improvements in skin tone on the test subjects who were using green tea extract cream, and green tea users reported fewer cases of dry skin and allergic responses. Thus, green tea extract cream had proven to offer the same benefits in the treatment of acne as benzoyl peroxide, with fewer side effects. Benzoyl peroxide is a crystalline powder that is used in tire and plastic production as well as cosmetics. Benzoyl peroxide can irritate eyes, skin, and respiratory tracts, and is on OSHA's hazardous substance list as a precaution against prolonged exposure. What makes using green tea extract appealing as an acne treatment is that green tea is all natural. Furthermore, it gives the holistic community a welcomed study on something that has been recommended by holistic healing practitioners for years. It is quite probable that green tea has many medicinal properties yet to be verified by Western science. This seems very likely, considering the vast amount of anecdotal evidence regarding the healing properties of green tea. So, on a holistic level, there is now one more scientifically backed treatment for acne available to those who want to avoid the harmful side effects of the various chemical acne treatments. With this in mind, those who want to treat their acne, but hate the redness and irritation caused by using benzoyl peroxide and other chemicals on the skin, there is now a scientifically proven, all-natural treatment, green tea. Thank you for watching the video, hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.